I wanted to take another video showing this different controller that I'm using. It's simpler than this one from the first videos. It doesn't have the analog D-pads. It only has 2 buttons up top instead of 4. These are separate right here. I actually kind of like this one more. It's simpler. There's less things that you have to remember. The D-pads, while they do ramp up on the other controller, they can go slow to fast depending on how hard you push them. They're kind of in the way. They're great if you like them, but I don't use them. I like this. KISS, keep it simple, stupid. But anyhow, you see that? This is cycle start, this is stop. These can be programmed to anything on the MDI line, G54, G30, M5, anything. These are speed doublers. So right now I have the speed set to 55 inches per minute, which is half the max of my 1100. So press this and it goes to 55 times 2 is 110. You see how much faster it is? And then this is a half, so it's 55 divided by 2. What is that, 27 and a half? You can do all 3 axes at once. What is that? It's up. Can you see that? I didn't know how much I was going to like this until I coded it, but I absolutely love this. For instance, I do a lot of 5C work, and I'm always probing the boss here to find 0. And I have a script written that will take me right there, but say I didn't, I could just do this. And that's a good reason for the speed haver. You can get closer at a slower speed in critical areas.